Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to purchase hosting from Hostinger. So to start with, you want to navigate to the Hostinger website. From there, you're going to click on the top right-hand corner where it says sign in and create your account. Follow all the instructions and you'll be taken to your Hostinger homepage. You're looking a little bit different to mine because you won't have any businesses signed up with hosting yet, but you can do that really quickly. I'm going to show you how. So on the left hand side, I'm going to click on more services and you'll be taken to the marketplace. So this is where you can see all the different things that Hostinger has on offer. So if you scroll down a little way, you can see hosting and web hosting. So I'm going to click on explore offer to see the different plans. So have a scroll down and you can check out each of the different plans that Hostinger has on offer. So as you can see, they have everything from like a basic single plan for people with one website and 10 gigabytes of storage, right up to plans that cater for people with 350 and 100 plus websites. So take your time to read through the different plans and what they offer. And when you decide on one that suits your needs, all you need to do is click on choose plan and follow the instructions, add in your payment method, and you will have purchased hosting with Hostinger. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.